Turn on the printer. Press Setup button. Scroll with the arrows until you see Device Setting. The instructions may vary from machine to machine. Press OK. Scroll with the arrows until you see Reset Setting. Press OK. Here you can find all the resets. Use the arrows to select all data or setting data. Press OK button. Confirm yes. OK. Give your printer some time to complete the process. Your printer is now back to the default settings. Note that this procedure will not reset the ink levels, the waste encounter, or an error code unless related with the paper settings. But if your printer is blocked or you have problems with the Wi-Fi connection, after the resetting the error should disappear. Remember that all your private data saved on the machine will be deleted.